So choose 3 sprites from the library, or you could paint a sprite that will be used in your maze game. We'll draw the maze in a little while. So first we're going to deal with implementing some of the motion for our sprites. I'm going to have a mouse sprite that I'll control with the arrow keys. The cat will automatically be moving around the stage, and the mouse has to avoid the cat. And the goal is going to be a donut, so we want to get the mouse to the donut to win. So we're going to use the arrow keys to control the movement of the mouse. If you drag out a Move 10 steps block and double click on it, you can see our mouse is moving 10 steps, is basically 10 little dots on the screen. The mouse, or any sprite, moves in whatever direction it's facing, and the point and direction block can be used to change what direction. The default direction, if you pull this down, you can see 90 is right. So if I want to have my mouse move left, I can click on the point and direction left and then tell it to move. Or we could make it point up and then move. So we're going to have one of these scripts for each arrow direction. So when the up arrow is pressed, I want it to point up and move 10 steps. And now test your up arrow. And then we can duplicate the script. So click on the stamp tool and then click on the script, and we'll change it so that we have a script for when the down arrow is pressed. Make sure you change the direction to point down. And so now we should be able to go up and down. And then we need a left and a right. When the left arrow is pressed, point left and move. And we need one for right. When the right arrow is pressed, point right and move. You might have to click in the background somewhere for your arrow keys scripts to actually work.